This is just a quick instructional video on helping you figure out the volume of the solid on question number 9. So I've drawn the solid here. I know that a side length of the base of my solid here is 7.5 centimeters, which I've indicated right here, okay? And with hexagons, there's actually, because there's 6 sides in a hexagon, when I draw radii here, I make 6 equilateral triangles, okay? So all of these are equilateral triangles, which means all the sides are the same of the triangles inside of this hexagon. So if the side length of a hexagon is 7.5 centimeters, then the radius is also going to be 7.5 centimeters because these are all just equilateral triangles. So every side length inside these equilateral triangles here are all going to be 7.5 centimeters. So what I need to do to figure out the area of this base, though, is I need the apothem. So I need this length right here, okay? Now I can use my knowledge of equilateral triangles and hexagons to figure out the length of this side length here, which is going to be the apothem. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a right triangle here, and I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to take this side length here, which is going to be half of 7.5 centimeters, which is 3.5 centimeters. So this side squared plus this side squared is going to equal this side squared here, okay? So a squared can be 3.75 squared, b squared can be my apothem, and then c squared is going to be the radius, which is 7.5 centimeters. So when I work that out, I get 6.5 for the apothem. Now, honestly, I'd really like to see some students recognize that this is one of the world famous Kebleski 30, 60, 90 triangle roadmaps. Because if this is all equilateral triangles inside of here, these are all 60 degrees, which means this is going to be a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So the apothem of my hexagon is going to be 3.75 times the square root of 3. So that's one of the things I wanted you to recognize. And obviously, if we were in school, that would have been something that I would have stressed to you, and you would have recognized this relatively quickly, that if you've got the side length of 7.5, then when you draw an apothem inside of here, okay, like this, then this length is going to be half of that times the square root of 3. So this is going to be 3.75 times the square root of 3. And then now that we've got the apothem, we can find the area of the base, which is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. So 1/2, 6.5, because that's the apothem. The perimeter is going to be 7.5 times 6, so one side length times 6 sides, and you get 146.14 centimeters squared. And then to find the volume, just take that number, because volume of a prism is area of the base times height. So just take this number times our height of 18, and you get a volume of 2,630.6 cubic centimeters. Hopefully that helped explain the problem. Thanks for watching.